This is the apartment. There is the kitchen. There is everything that you need to cook. Fridge, microwave, oven, and everything. This is the sofa bed. Just take off this, and there is one bed. Or you can take out this, and there is another bed. It's very easy. This is the balcony. It's nice to have breakfast here. This is the view. The main beach of Cefalù, the main street. Let's go to the bedroom. Here it is. Air conditioning here, and air conditioning here. And this is the restroom. Little, but there is everything that you need.